To add and use accessibility shortcut to access live transcribe in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, tap advanced setting, and then tap accessibility button. Tap select action. Scroll down the screen and then select live transcribe. By adding the accessibility shortcut for live transcribe, now you can easily access this feature by tapping the accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select live transcribe. Now you can use your phone to capture the speech or sound and write them as a text on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.